Whatever happened to Backyard Kombi? Life got busy. Work got busy. Home life got busy. Clinton got busy. We did a hell of a lot of work on this bus. Just as a reminder, it's a 64 split window. Got it home, it was a basket case. Had a fresh coat of John Deere green, painted over a lot of rust, a lot of Bondo. We took off the rocker panels. We removed the floor. We cut out some of the rotten cross members here. We cut out the rocker panels. There's a lot more. There are issues in the dog legs. Basically all the way around the lower portions of the bus. There's a lot of rust and rot. Clinton's not too happy about this, but we got to a point where neither one of us really has the time or the expertise. We're completely self-taught, where we really can't take it any farther. So I think it is time to let somebody else have the bus. Hey Clinton, what do you think about all this?
It's depressing. I really thought we would be able to get this thing back on the road again. I guess we failed.
I know how you feel, buddy. And my plan was that we would use this to go on some family camping adventures and you would inherit it. Goodbye, Backyard Kombi. Damn.
Surprise! We did not sell the bus! Jason from Busworks replaced both of the rocker panels, but he left the welds for us to grind. He also welded in 2 dog legs on both sides. We also got a new cab floor. Here's a Z-bed installed in a new cargo floor. He also fabricated and welded on new patches all over the bus. Here's the old nose. And here's the new one. Look for a new video soon to see what's next.